been using JD Shopping app for a very long time, or you are new to JD Shopping app and you find it difficult to link your bank card for secure payment on JD Shopping app, consider to stay tuned to this video and see step by step on how you can link your bank card to JD Shopping app and the supported bank card for JD Shopping app. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your JD Shopping app. Open up your JD.com. Just like so. After you open up your JD Shopping app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply click on the profile icon. You have to do the setting from your dashboard. So go ahead and click on your profile. Just like so. So this is where you need to do the proper setting and link your bank card for easy payment in JD Shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want to procure link on 1688, Taobao, JD.com, made in China, iDoFish or Shein, Alibaba or AliExpress or Pinduoduo, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead, click on this icon from the top right here, click on here. I'm going to go ahead and click on that straight up. And it's going to take you right here. Now, how can you link your bank card for easy payments and the recognized bank card in JD Shopping app? Next thing you want to do right here is to simply go ahead and click on here. Now you are here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply go ahead and simply click on here. Then here you go. These are the list of available bank cards that you can use to shop from JD Shopping app right here. However, if you cannot find your bank name right here, go ahead and click on here. There are more than 100 plus banks supported in JD for payment with card. So go ahead and click on here and you see more options. So click on that, then you see more banks right here. You can scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all available banks right here that you can use their card to shop in JD Shopping app. Once you find any bank card, once you find your bank name right here, all you have to do is to go ahead and simply click on the bank name. Like for instance, if this is your bank right here, go ahead and click on the bank. And then once you click on the bank, it takes you right here. Indicate if your card is debit card or credit card. So indicate if you are into debit card, leave it this way. If you are into credit card, click on here. And then once you click on that, all you have to do is to fill up the detail about the card, such as the name on the card, the number on the card, the CCV, the expired date of the card, and CCV digits at the back of the card. Once you enter your card detail, go ahead and click on here and bind the card. So each time you want to make payment, you can easily pay directly with your bank card, fully secure in JD Shopping app. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source cheap products from China using JD Shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.